Well, this is the news that is just coming in. BJP's Anil Devan has won in Bhoranj, that is Himachal Pradesh, breaching the Congress bastion as well by 8,400 votes. Bhoranj has been traditionally held by the BJP. The seat was vacated after his father, I.D. Devan, passed away. Now, Anil Devan carrying over the BJP legacy, winning by over 8,400 votes, and it's the first victory that's been announced in the by-poll counting. BJP seen leading in 6 other constituencies. Congress right now looking at win only in Karnataka. TMC also looking at a win in West Bengal. Let me get across to all our reporters who are joining us at this moment. Ankit is joining us from the capital. Anindya also joining us. Let's first go across to Ankit. So Ankit, Rajouri Garden, take us through what's the trend at the moment. We believe that the 10th round of counting shows BJP is leading ahead of the Congress, and Aam Aadmi Party, interestingly, pegged third. Ankit, once again. Ankit, it seems the celebrations are already underway around you. BJP looking at a lead in Rajouri Garden.
Devina, I could hardly hear you, and I'll just show you what's happening around. That's more interesting than what I'm going to say. So these are all supporters of the Bharatiya Janata Party. There is a dole here. People have already started distributing sweets. My camera person Amit will show you these BJP flags and dole that has already been got out. There are laddus already being distributed here. After the 11th round, Manjinder Singh Sirsa of the Shiromani Dal Akali BJP combined is leading with more than 8,000 votes. More than 20,000 votes have been counted in his favor. The Congress is about 20,000 votes, and the Aam Aadmi Party is number 3. Let me just get you a reaction from one of the supporters. अभी आधिकारिक तौर पर अनाउंसमेंट बाकी है. आप बीजेपी से हैं सर. कितनी बड़ी जीत है आपके लिए, क्योंकि जिससे पहले 2015 में बिल्कुल सफाई हो गई थी.
देखो, the trend is showing that everybody is with the policies of Narendra Modi ji, and Rajouri Garden people are also with Modi ji, and they have decided directly and straight away in the favor of Narendra Modi's policy.
How will this affect the MCD elections now?
We are going to have 2/3 majority in all the 3 MCDs. There is no doubt. You will see that BJP is going to win more than 200 seats in MCD polls.
Thank you. So, very confident BJP. And let me now tell you what will this mean for the MCD election. There is a momentum now that the BJP is going to take forward as far as the MCD elections are concerned. It's just 10 days away that the Delhi national capital will be deciding of the 3 MCDs. I'm sorry, I'm moving around a lot because there are a lot of people pushing and shoving going on in celebrations as far as the BJP and their supporters are concerned. But important thing is that once again a lesson has been taught to the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, after 2013 they went to fight the national elections. In 2014 the party came out with disastrous results. They came back, apologized, said that we'll stay here for the next 5 years. But their candidate from here, their MLA from here, who won more than 50% votes last time in the elections.
Absolutely. Ankit, be with me, because getting first reaction also right now from the Aam Aadmi Party.
जाने से जनता में नाराजगी थी. हमने काफी कोशिश की थी बात करने की, लोगों को समझाने की, लेकिन नतीजों से समझ में आ रहा है कि लोग माने नहीं, लोगों में नाराजगी कम नहीं हुई. तो अब कोई बात नहीं, ये तो उपचुनाव था. आगे के चुनाव के लिए हम तैयारी करेंगे और राजौरी गार्डन के लोगों को समझाने की भी कोशिश करेंगे. तो ऐसी कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है. राजौरी गार्डन के लिए जो काम जर्नल सिंह ने शुरू किए थे या दिल्ली सरकार आगे आने वाले समय में करेगी, वो राजौरी गार्डन के लिए हम पूरी शिद्दत से उसी तरह से करते रहेंगे जैसे पूरी दिल्ली के लिए करेंगे.
मनीष जी, बाय पोल था, लेकिन बीजेपी कह रही है कि ये कहीं ना कहीं शुरुआत है जो एमसीडी इलेक्शन में होने वाला है, उसी पर.
चलिए, वो तो एमसीडी इलेक्शन में बताएंगे, लेकिन बाय पोल तो बहुत जगह हुए हैं जहाँ बीजेपी लहर के बाद 282 सीटें जीतने के बाद ठीक अगला बाईपोल कौन हारा, चाहे बनारस में हारे या लखनऊ में हारे, तो उस तरह की चीजें नहीं है. हम दिल्ली के पिछले 2 साल में दिल्ली सरकार ने जितने काम किए हैं उसके दम पे दिल्ली का नगर निगम का चुनाव जीतेंगे और पूरी शिद्दत से जीतेंगे।
निगम चुनाव पे कोई असर होगा इसका?
नहीं जीतेंगे।
All right, are projected in Rajouri Nagar bypoll, but Rajouri Garden bypoll, but they're confident that MCD victory will be there. Let me go across to Anindya as well. Anindya, it's back to the strategic table. It's back to the boardroom for Aam Aadmi Party. You're outside the Aam Aadmi Party office. Take us through what's happening inside and behind those closed doors.
Interestingly, I'm outside the same Aam Aadmi Party office that is about to be shut today only, Devina. But jokes apart, there's no activity inside. It's absolute. There's nobody here inside. No huddle going on. All happening in the Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia's house. But be as it may, as you rightly pointed, the AAP is decimated for sure as far as Rajouri Garden is concerned. But as Ankit was pointing out a while back, that this huge surge of it's not about Aam Aadmi Party's loss. It's about the win of the Bharatiya Janata Party, that the Bharatiya Janata Party, sources within Bharatiya Janata Party are telling us, and they're already telling us that they're going to project it big time before the MCD election. It is not just this is about perception. They want to win the battle of perception in the mind of the people ahead of crucial MCD election that the BJP wants to hold in. And clearly it's a big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party, which had a mandate of 67 and which they time and again flaunted over and over again. And this time around, it's a setback for sure, and probably it's time for some amount of introspection. Back to you.
It's interesting because it was Jarnail Singh from the Aam Aadmi Party which scored a victory after his resignation once the seat fell vacant. It was a bypoll that was necessitated, but Aam Aadmi Party was confident of this victory. Now, has the focus been their focus on the EVM tampering? Has the focus of Aam Aadmi Party being outside Delhi, Goa being another loss for them, Punjab not that great a performance as well? Has that somewhere down the line miffed voters of the capital, which haven't seen governance coming from the Aam Aadmi Party, the politics of change that they had promised?
Well, absolutely. People are miffed. We have been speaking to a lot of people, particularly in the run-up to the MCD election, and people are miffed for the simple fact being that they don't. There's a perception battle that the BJP has won, if at all. Regardless of the fact they have delivered on governance or not, there's a perception that Aam Aadmi Party is concentrating more on Gujarat, Aam Aadmi Party concentrating more on states like Goa, and that's why you remember just a few weeks back, Arvind Kejriwal had to cancel his rally, massive rally in Gujarat. And these are the things that is taking place in the streets of Delhi. People are miffed, and that perception battle clearly is
time to focus back at home. Time to focus back at home, and I want to take this question to Ankit as well. Ankit, you've been talking to people ahead of the MCD polls. You've seen the Delhi dangle, literally, that you're at the center of as well. Let's first go across to Arvind Kejriwal, who's also Venkaiah Naidu, who's addressing the media first.
BJP victory to be celebrated by the people. Every allegation they made in the memorandum, they have given it to Honorable Rashtrapati. Every word they have mentioned in that memorandum, it sticks better to Congress party. Every word. If you just remove NDA and you read things, then everything applies to UPA, everything applies to Congress party. They said arbitrary in decision. Congress is known for taking arbitrary decisions. Then making appointment to key constitutional positions. They always used to make appointments on the political basis. They even superseded judges also. They brought the philosophy of committed judiciary for social cause. They disregarded procedures. They appointed a CBI director who is facing an inquiry now, not by this government, by the Supreme Court. Second point, they said triggering false debates. They have triggered false debates. Freedom of press is not there. That's what they said. Freedom of press, I can tell you, the press in India is having so much freedom.
All right, we'll get the BJP reaction also in just a bit. Venkaiah Naidu talking on the other issue, but it seems that the semi-final is won by the BJP in Delhi in Rajouri Garden area. Ankit Anindyo continue to be with us. Also joining us is Devankur from Dholpur. Devankur will come to you in just a bit. But the headline right now is how the BJP has been able to score a win according to the initial trends. Official announcement waited till now. But Ankit, as we've been talking, Delhi Dangal is next. What are the leads and what are the feelers that you're getting from the ground at the moment, looking at the Rajouri Garden bypoll? Will this have an impact? Is this now public speaking against the promised Aam Aadmi Party governance and its failure? All right, we'll try and connect with Ankit in just a bit. But the other headline that we're getting from Rajouri Garden is the surge of Congress. Ajay Markan right now tweeting as well, saying Congress workers have done well because Rajouri Garden bypoll, although BJP is leading, but he has tweeted saying that we have jumped from 12% to 38% in just 2 years. Aam Aadmi Party losing deposit. Keep the spirit alive, will be the dark horse in MCD. So Congress also getting a shot in the arm with 38% jump in voting, what Ajay Markan has said in the voter share as well. Let me go across to more reactions that are coming in right now. Let's take a listen in once again to what the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, had to say.
जो नतीजे आए हैं वो आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए वहाँ जीत नहीं हुई है उपचुनाव में। हम लोग राजौरी गार्डन को देख रहे थे। वहां पर जर्नैल सिंह जी जो हमारे विधायक थे, उनके पंजाब जाने से जनता में नाराजगी थी। हमने काफी कोशिश की थी बात करने की, लोगों को समझाने की, लेकिन नतीजों से समझ में आ रहा है कि लोग माने नहीं, लोगों में नाराजगी कम नहीं हुई। तो अब कोई बात नहीं, ये तो उपचुनाव था, आगे के चुनाव के लिए हम तैयारी करेंगे। पिछले 2 साल में दिल्ली सरकार ने जितने काम किए हैं उसके दम पे दिल्ली का नगर निगम का चुनाव जीतेंगे और पूरी शिद्दत से जीतेंगे।
So 2 years report card, Aam Aadmi Party at least in Rajouri Garden bypoll not scoring well, a worrying trend ahead of the MCD poll for the party. Let's take a listen in to how the celebrations are underway right now at the BJP, getting reaction also from the BJP Delhi President Manoj Tiwari.
मैं समझता हूं ये दिल्ली की जनता का मूड है। जो तकलीफ दिया है आम आदमी पार्टी ने दिल्ली को, उसका निर्णय सुना दिया है रजौरी गार्डन में दिल्ली की वहाँ रजौरी गार्डन के वोटर्स ने। और कांग्रेस भी आम आदमी दोनों एक समान रूप से लड़ रहे हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी बहुत आगे है। मैं दिल्ली को रजौरी गार्डन को धन्यवाद देता हूं ये विश्वास जमाए रखने के लिए, और मैं वचन देता हूं आने वाले समय में भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी आपकी खुशियों का कारण बनेगी।
पार्टी which had 67 seats today is in the 3rd position. Any message for आम आदमी पार्टी?
आम आदमी पार्टी अपने कार्यों की समीक्षा करे। जो दिल्ली में जो उसने भ्रष्टाचार किया है उस पर पुनर्विचार करे, और जिस प्रकार से ये लोग ऐसे कारनामों में लगे हुए हैं जो दिल्ली सुन करके स्तब्ध है, उस पर जाकर के आत्मचिंतन करे और दिल्ली को अभी भी जवाब दे कि दिल्ली ने इनको 67 सीट दे करके क्या पाया। 220 प्लस।
You are confident about it after this result? Are you confident?
Yes, I am confident कि we are getting 220 plus seats.
Sir, ऐसा क्या है आम आदमी पार्टी कर नहीं पाए जो आप as a president you will promise to the voters of Delhi?
हम दिल्ली के लोगों को जिस बात का विश्वास दिला रहे हैं उस पर खरे उतरेंगे। हम झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे, झूठा वादा नहीं करेंगे, हम जो कहेंगे वो करेंगे।
That was the Delhi BJP president promising whatever promises were not fulfilled by Aam Aadmi Party. This is the party which will deliver. With camera person Sundar, this is Parveena, Delhi, India Today. Joining me is BJP leader Vijayender Gupta. So congratulations. We sense that BJP is leading after the 7th round of counting. So what's your take on the reaction?
मैं यही कहूँगा कि ये एक तरह का एक टेस्ट केस है दिल्ली के लिए, और आने वाले म्यूनिसिपल इलेक्शंस का साफ रूप से रिफ्लेक्शन है कि आम आदमी पार्टी 3rd है और पुअर 3rd है, और जमानत जब आम आदमी पार्टी की हो रही है ऐसा दिखाई दे रहा है। तो जो पार्टी 67 सीट्स जीत कर आई थी 2 साल पहले, 2 साल में ही लोगों की उम्मीदों पर पूरी तरह विफल हो गई है, और आम आदमी पार्टी का ग्राफ इस कदर नीचे आएगा, लोगों को इस तरह से होपलेस ये पार्टी होगी लोगों के बीच में। आज इस पर आश्चर्य भी होता है, और खुशी भी होती है।
Do you think it's more of BJP madness or it's Modi mania? That's why people are.
मैं ये कहूँगा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का पूरे देश में परचम लहराया जा रहा है और नरेंद्र मोदी जी हमारे नेता है, इस बात का हमें गर्व है।
Are you confident now MCD polls will be BJP's game?
Definitely it will be the next course of action for BJP.
So anything for Aam Aadmi Party?
आम आदमी पार्टी अब वाइप आउट हो गई है, एक तरह से उसका सफाया हो गया है। पंजाब में हुआ, गोवा में हुआ और अब दिल्ली से शुरू हुए थे, यहीं पर ये पार्टी समाप्त हो जाएगी, ऐसा हमको लगता है।
With camera person Sundar, this is Parveena, Delhi, India Today.
Okay, let's take you through the latest leads that are coming in at the moment. In Rajouri Garden is the 13th round of polling where BJP Sirsa is leading by about 32,859 votes. Manjinder Singh Sirsa looking at a lead of more than 10,000. You have Congress's Meenakshi Chandela, who is at 22,846, and Aam Aadmi Party's Harjeet Singh at 8,174 votes. The gap is shocking. In fact, for Congress, they've said it's a great victory. Ajay Markan lauding the party workers. Remember, Congress has seen a complete rout in the Delhi Assembly polls. Has said now at least we've seen a jump in voters asking and favouring us by about 30% compared to 12% earlier. He's congratulated the voters, but it's more than now all but official that it's the BJP that's been able to score round one of the semi-final that we're looking at in Delhi Assembly polls, because after 2 years, it's the Aam Aadmi Party which has been given the signal from the Delhi public. It's time to take stock of home. A short break there, but be with us on the other side, getting you more details from the ground on what's been the lead for the BJP, which is looking at a majority win of the 10 constituencies at the moment. Himachal Pradesh going to BJP officially.